Go green and stay clean, baby. Go green and stay clean. Oh, very, 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 very good. Hello and welcome to Cook It Like Chef Shrimpy. Today I'll be sharing with you a green juice recipe. This is a detox and self-rejuvenating green juice. Okay, let's prep our fruits and vegetables and get this green juice kicking. Okay, so we got 4 ripe banana. Let's wash this arugula. Got our arugula all washed. Now let's cut this pineapple into small pieces. And you're not gonna be having any sugar to this green juice recipe. You will be getting your sugar from the pineapple and the banana. But if you want to add sugar, you can go ahead and add sugar. Especially if you will be sharing it with your children. Children usually need sugar. Not that I am recommending sugar, but you want everybody to eat and have a wonderful time, because that's what food is for. And if you're gonna eat and you're not gonna have a good time eating, then it doesn't make any sense you eat. But still, don't starve yourself. Make sure you eat, and whatever you're eating, try and make it be good and healthy for your beautiful body. That's why this beautiful cellular juice is coming from Chef Shrimpy. He said, go green and stay clean. Now I'm gonna wash my dandelion green. And I'm gonna stock it up right here with the rest of this stuff right here. And this dandelion green is very, very, very healthy for you. This dandelion green have a digestive pH of over 8. This green juice won't be coming from a juicer. This green juice I'll be making from my blender. Cut our peppers. Our peppers are nice and washed. Cut them into small pieces. You can start adding them to the blender right now, because that's what we're gonna be doing, blending. So it doesn't matter what you put first. At the end of your blending process, you get a spoon and store all this together. Just pop them bananas in there. Pop a little green. Get some water. And you can put as much water as you want. You know, water is very good for the body, but whatever you're making, you're trying to get taste and consistent. You want to stop that, give that liquid some weight so everything can come together and blend smoothly. So I'm going to add a lot of pineapple to that. And I'm going to crank this blender again. Let it blend a little bit until it gets very, very smooth. That means when it's going down, it's going smooth, and you're going to be looking smoothie, and the peachy, you will have the peachy body because you drink up this smoothie made by hands of Chef Shrimpy. Girls then got the peachy body from my smoothie. Okay, so this first batch is all done. As you can see, I blended up for about 3 minutes. Get it nice and smooth. Add some more. Believe me, the pineapple gives this smoothie a very unique taste. And when you try it, you will see that uniqueness that I'm talking about. Pop another banana. Some more dandelion. Some pineapple. and some agua. Put on some blend on this. Look at that baby! Oh, that's like all nutrition saying, I'm coming at you, Shrimpy! Let's do our final batch of blending. Put that in there. Bananas. Add some more water to this. Pineapple. And some more arugula and dandelion. Pop it in there, start a blend. Shrimpy's blending up some juice, blending up some green juice. Are you planning for the beach? It's about 3 months away. Get your green juice, nice and sexy up that body. Okay, here you go. That's the beauty right there. Now I'm gonna stir this together to get everything blending. Well, you might ask, Chef Shrimpy, why do you make that much? Because I'm not only making it for myself, I'm making it for the entire family. And we can have green juice to drink for the entire week. And as soon as it runs out, we're gonna blend another batch. Look at this. Woohoo! Look at that. Aha! Just what I'm talking about. This is what keeps you strong. Put a piece of pineapple in it just like that. And oh, look at this oxygen floating on top of this thing. Oh my God, look at that. That's what you want in your beautiful body right there. That's when fruits and vegetables are showing you what they consist of. Oxygen. Check the body and see what it made up of. Look at that. This is proof for you. You drink this up every day, you're gonna be good. Extremely good. Oh. Make sure you make this one of your #1 at home. Very, 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 very good. Go green and stay clean, baby. Go green and stay clean. Bueno. This green juice is good for bloated belly and it also cleans the gut.